Guten Tag, Klasse. Today you're going to learn the difference between zu Hause and nach Hause. They both have the word Haus in it, which has to do with house or home. But they're like completely opposites. So the first one, as you can see on top, zu Hause, there's no motion. You're at home. Zu has two letters in it, and so does at. So they mean the same thing. Zu Hause, at home. Ich spiele Fußball zu Hause. I'm playing soccer at home. There's no motion. You're just doing something while you're at home. The second one down here, you can see nach Hause. It implies like you're going home. You're moving towards home in some way. There has to be movement. So towards has many letters, and nach has many more letters than zu. Zu and at, both two letters, at home. Nach Hause, towards home. So you would need some kind of verb that shows motion, like ich gehe nach Hause. Ich fahre, either bicycle or car. Ich fahre nach Hause. Technically, you could say ich schwimme nach Hause if your house was like in the middle of a lake or something and you were literally swimming towards your lake, towards your house. If you just have a pool in the backyard, then you would say ich schwimme zu Hause. I'm swimming at home. So the motion has to actually be towards the house. Otherwise, it's going to be zu Hause. So obviously, you're probably going to use zu Hause more because you're going to do stuff at home more often than you're moving towards your home. So we're going to practice a little bit here, hopefully. Uh-oh. I'll get right back to you. Okay, I found your practice one. So zu Hause, at home. Zu and at both have two letters. Nach Hause shows some kind of motion towards home, which is, well, in fact, what it says here. Zu Hause, at home. It shows a location. Nach Hause is going or towards home, and it shows a motion or that home is your destination. So which one would you use? Ich gehe zu or nach Hause 5 Uhr. Nach Hause, because it shows motion, because of that word gehe, shows that you're going towards the house. Heute Abend, remember that's this evening, heute Abend, bin ich, is it zu Hause or nach Hause? Is there any motion or not? So it's zu Hause. You're not going anywhere, you just are at home. Sabine ist nicht blank Hause. Obviously, you're supposed to try to guess it before I tell you the answer. Zu Hause, she's at home, not going anywhere. Wann bist du blank Hause? Heute Abend. Zu Hause, again, there's no going anywhere. There's no verbs that show motion. Heute Morgen bin ich zu Hause, no motion. Am Nachmittag, in the afternoon, am Nachmittag gehe ich nach Hause. Here there is motion, going. I'm going home. Ich gehe zu or nach Hause. Nach Hause, there's motion. Peter geht spät, late. Is it zu or nach? Nach, because he's going. Okay, remember, zu Hause, at home, location. Nach Hause, going, towards home, motion or destination. So which would this be? Zu Hause or nach Hause? Nach Hause, they're going home. Zu Hause or nach Hause? Zu Hause, they're at home. Zu Hause, nach Hause. Nach Hause, there's motion. Zu Hause or nach Hause? Zu Hause, he's not going anywhere. Zu Hause or nach Hause? Nach Hause, she's going somewhere in public transportation. And we've already done this part. So, you should be able to tell the difference between zu Hause and nach Hause. There's another video for you to watch, and make sure you know the difference. And that's all for today after you do that. Tschüss.